In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cloudflare DNS in Google Chrome. If you're looking to enhance your online privacy, improve your browsing security, or simply make your internet experience faster and more reliable, this is a great step to take. Cloudflare DNS, also known for its 111 service, is one of the fastest and most secure DNS solutions available. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to configure it in your Chrome browser with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll need to have Google Chrome open on your computer. If it's not already running, go ahead and launch the browser now. Once you're in Chrome, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 vertically aligned dots. This is the menu button. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu of options. From the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you to the main settings page for Chrome, where you can customize various features of the browser. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu with several categories. Locate the section titled Privacy and Security and click on it. This is where Chrome houses all of its tools related to keeping your browsing experience safe and private. Within the Privacy and Security section, find and click on the option labeled Security. This will open up a new page dedicated to security settings. These settings allow you to manage how Chrome protects you while browsing online, and this is where we'll enable Cloudflare DNS. Now, scroll down the page until you reach a section called Use Secure DNS. This is the feature that allows you to switch your DNS provider to something more secure and efficient like Cloudflare. By default, Chrome uses your internet service provider's DNS, but we're going to change that. Next to the Use Secure DNS option, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it to expand the available options. Here you'll want to select With. Once you've chosen With, another menu will appear, showing a list of DNS providers that you can use. From this list, select Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. Cloudflare is widely trusted for its speed, security, and reliability, and choosing this option ensures you're using one of the best DNS providers out there. After selecting Cloudflare, you don't need to do anything else to save your settings. Chrome will automatically apply the change for you. It's always a good idea to double-check that your selection is still visible in the drop-down menu to confirm that everything has been set up correctly. Finally, you can close the Settings tab and continue using Chrome as usual. From this point forward, all your DNS queries will be routed through Cloudflare, giving you a more private and secure browsing experience. You shouldn't notice any disruptions in your internet usage. In fact, you might even notice that websites load faster than before. And that's it. You've successfully configured Google Chrome to use Cloudflare DNS. This small change can make a big difference in protecting your data and improving your internet speed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.